Hello, and welcome back to Windows 10 tutorial. In this video, you will learn about how to uninstall apps and features in Windows 10. If you want to delete or remove any applications on Windows 10 computer, then follow these simple steps. Let's get started. Go to bottom left corner and right-click on the Windows logo, or you can also press Win+X to bring up the Winx menu. Once you're in Winx menu, go to First Options, that is Apps and Features. Now, you are in Apps and Features settings. Scroll down and select any one of the application that you wish to uninstall. After selecting app, click on the Uninstall button. Again, click on the Uninstall button to confirm. Now, repeat these steps if you want to uninstall other apps. Finally, close this Windows. Okay, that's it for today. I will see you in next tutorial with amazing and interesting topics. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.